guys, today I'm going to do my first video about my bike. Hey guys, the first thing we're going to look at is the Apollo Aspire 30 frame. The second thing we are going to look at is the wake head stem. The third thing we are going to look at is the Shimano Aspire gear changer. The fourth thing we are going to look at is the SR Sontour XCT. The fifth thing we are going to look at is the Factor seat. The sixth thing we are looking at is the forks, and they are the Gila RST forks. Okay, that's it. Like and subscribe to my channel, and subscribe to Zane Gerlach's channel.